Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this Toolbox diesel air heater from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made by HCalory, so let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. It's got a handle here on the top, so we'll go ahead and pick it straight up. Got a box on the inside and a user's manual. HCalory really does a good job at upgrading their diesel heaters. I'm very impressed with the appearance of the way it looks. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, this is the exhaust pipe, and this is for the air outlet pipe. This is one of the vents. This is just an extension cord for the controller. This is a wire harness. You have the various size hose clamps. This is the exhaust silencer. Okay, this is a good handy size toolbox, not too heavy. Open it up, you have your motor and blowing system. It comes with a remote control, on and off, and you can increase or decrease the temp. It's got an internal diesel tank and a little filter to make sure your diesel is clean. That's pretty much it. There's nothing to really do inside. Then if you look on the top here, you have the digital control panel. Also, you have some instructions the manufacturer suggests to be read before use. Okay, I'm downloading the app. I'll just turn it on right there. I won't start it up, but let the Bluetooth find it. Okay, you can see here on the app where it's loaded, but instead of using the app right now, I'm just going to utilize the control here. Okay, the instructions say to hold the power button down for 25 seconds till it starts up. I'm not sure if you heard that, but it did power up. Turn on the motor. It's heating up the glow plugs. Okay, if you look at the controller, you have the power button. You can hear the pump clicking now, indicating that it's working. You can increase or decrease keys. You have a clock display. You have the altitude, and it's automatically computed based on your current altitude. You can make adjustments here on the altitude button. Here's the OK key. And this is your host appearance here in the center. You can see the fuel going in, heating up in the chamber, and then exhausting out to indicate that it is working. That's the power bar. We're going to increase the heat. You see that's H8 setting, and it will go all the way up to 10. That'll be the highest heat. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's ramping up louder now, the heating chamber. If phone app, it's indicating that it's currently heating. High heat setting of 10. Chamber is firing up. Like I say, it does come with a remote. You can see on the phone app you have some parameters that you can control. The setting temperature, which is set on 68, and then the stop temperature. So it's right at 80 degrees. You can see just holding it in front of the output, it's about 104 degrees now, just a second, so you can see that it really puts out the heat. Now, a good way you could use this, like to heat up your garage, you could set this whole toolbox inside the garage, have this coming out, and then just crack the garage door up and have the exhaust going out the door. Same thing like in a tent or an RV or any kind of outdoor. You want this exhaust to be exhausting to the outside where you won't be breathing the exhaust coming out. And then this is a good heat, and the intake is on this side. And then to turn it off, you hold this down also for about 25 seconds. Let it go to the off mode. After you hit the off button, you don't want to unplug it. You want to let it cool down and go through its cool down cycle. I like the fact that it's painted all black. The construction is all metal material. You have access to an internal fuel tank. You have access to your heating chamber. It holds 5 liters of diesel fuel. You have the control here, and you can extend this up to like 4 feet to have it close by your side. Or you could use the phone app or a remote control. It's really easy to connect. You just have the output of the heat. You just have a hose clamp here, and then you put the hose clamp up here for the vent, and then a couple of hose clamps here for the exhaust. So I highly recommend this Toolbox diesel air heater.